line drawing, rectangle drawing. Please subscribe and share us. Thank you. Line drawing, rectangle drawing, spline drawing, okay, straight slot drawing. We'll see these things, okay. So firstly, I want to start here the preview. So we have a preview here: front view, top view, right plane view, okay. This do all we have previews, but I'm seeing something like back side of the screen. For example, here drawing menu, you know, the back something black, like blur is there, okay, some white and blur like. But I want to change that one, so it is here. It is here. It says 3-point faded, 3-point faded, plain white, backdrop, rooftop. Yeah, with preview, you can see the previews here. Okay, you are seeing the previews. So like that, we can see the white preview. I want to white preview in plain white. Okay, in plain. Now it's good. Okay, now it's good because it is the back side is white. That's good. So I will select one of the plane and I will try to draw from line drawing, okay, line drawing here, in which plane I can draw one, or you can either one of the planes you can select. For example, I am selecting here top plane, okay. I want to start a top drawing in top plane. So if you see the top plane here, if you start, as soon as you start the select the plane, as soon as you select the plane and start to draw, you will see some red icon. You see this? You see this? Okay. Here Z and X axis, Z and X axis are there. You see here? Z and X axis. So this Z and X axis come without axis mentioning here. No axis you are seeing, but you are seeing the two axes. This is XY plane, two-dimensional way, because we have selected the drawing as top plane. So in top plane itself, you will see the two axes, that is X and Z axis, because we are drawing perpendicular to the Y axis. So we can start the drawing here. You can start the drawing here. Line, okay, line. We can start here. Three line kinds are there. The side line, solid line is there. The center line is there. Midpoint line is there. Midpoint line is there. So I will select the line, solid line first. Solid line first. Then I will start sketching. The dot point is there for sketching, you know, something like dot is there. That points the starting point for a drawing. You see the X and Z axis, the center of the, or the origin of the X and Z axis is the starting point here. You can start from that point. That is good. So I can start from that point. Here, for example, this direction is straight. Some indicator lines are there, okay? Blue indicator lines are there. That's straight line. You can keep straight line as per axis by using such lines. So I will start from center, straight, okay? It's not straight, okay? What can I do means I can select and I can delete it. That's possible. That's possible. Delete. Okay? Right click and delete. Right click and delete. Now again select. Again select. Okay. Now straight line. Keep straight line of 180 degree. Okay. This much I need. This much I need. Okay. I have drawn a straight line here. I have drawn a straight line. Okay. I can add also another straight line starting from this position, this point, straight to that. Okay. Okay. That's enough. So I can also add a straight line like this. But SolidWorks is smart tool. It indicates it to have plenty of drawing options. Okay. See, I am drawing the straight line now, but it shows me the place where I can get the another straight line to close this drawing. For example, I am drawing something like rectangle or square. We will decide these things by dimensioning. So for example, I can hit this here and I can close it directly. So I have drawn the line drawings and I have created something like rectangle, square. Okay, so for example, if I want to make it square, okay, right, this one, right, you can make right. I want to make it a square, so to make it a square, for example, 100 mm, we will use here. You can start use smart dimensioning here, smart dimensioning. Okay, smart dimensioning, you can give dimension two times, or two options you have to give a dimension here. You can use smart dimension, you can give a dimension while you are drawing. At the time of drawing also it gives an option, but for now I will show you the smart dimension. Smart dimension, for example, I will select it, I'll drag it. Okay, I will drag it and it will show me the exact dimension, and I can edit also this dimension. I can edit this dimension. It is now it is now 238.97 millimeter, like that. Okay, but I wanted to make it okay, 100. Okay, that is too much small. Okay, 200 we can make it 200 mm. Okay, 200 mm, hit enter. Now this length is 200. Okay, I wanted to dimension this one also. Let's see what is the dimension. Okay, you are seeing the 357. Okay, you are seeing the 357, but I want to redimension it. Okay, it gives you option, you can give it the dimension again. Here I wanted also to make it 200. Okay, 200, yeah, 200 millimeter. Hit enter. Now we have drawn a square with 200 by 200 dimensions, 200 by 200. So this is how we can draw a line and use a dimension to make to fit to our required measurements. Okay, next time we will see the specific examples to draw these lines. First I will show you how to draw a line, how to draw a rectangle, how to draw a square, how to draw these things we will see, and then we will see the practical examples. Okay, thank you.